Thank you. Are we shotgunning these?
You guys too. No, we ain't shotgun.
That's what I thought it was. The way you gave it to him too, sideways. I was like, oh no. I mean, can't tease me with a good time.
Yo, where's your empanada boy?
Oh,
we were just with him, yeah.
Yeah, we need to get
he's having an event right now selling.
Oh yeah, they are.
I was like, you should have just came out here.
Yeah, that would be nice. I'd go for some empanadas.
Holly, what are you doing?
So if you go 9s in this, you remember to wear the SP tuning shirt.
Just in case, bro. I was ready for the 9 today, though.
Just in case.
How's it smell?
Yeah.
Smells good.
It's good, man.
Holly.
Whose impact is that?
Some guy that has a lot of freedom.
Hey, Gary.
Got my mechanic. Pit crew? Yeah, my pit crew.
He's the pit crew, the driver.
I'm timing him though. Come on.
Not at all.
I need my blinker fluid changed too when you're done.
We just got the slicks and skinnies on Ricky's hatch. Got her teched in. Now we just wait in line.
Oh yeah.
Then she'll be ready to make her pass.
And Miller got lucky too. He got the last driver card.
The last tech card of the night. Number 200.
I just strolled over there. I'm like, can I get a tech card? And he hands it to me. He's like, last one. And like, there was still a line and nobody else could. I was like, damn, I got lucky.
Got so lucky, dude.
It's meant to be,
yeah,
bro.
We're hoping to hit a 9. Somewhere in the 9.
Low 10s.
I mean,
If we beat, I'm saying like, what's the fastest time? 10.8?
10.
So if we can get anything faster than 10.8, I'll be happy.
What's up, hired gun?
What's up,
Out here
man?
driving. What are you going 9? 980?
I'm gonna go a low 10.
Low 10? Nah, I'm 990.
990,
You got
calling it.
Hell yeah.
I'm giving it all, so whatever it has in it.
Do it, baby.
yeah.
Let it rip.
That's the new
I
best.
got the sauce.
Put the sauce in there?
The sauce.
Giving it the beans.
It's gonna.
What was the old Corvette record?
It's 815 right now. I got it
Oh,
set
so
this
you're
week.
just right there.
Well, I'm on for 7. I ain't worried about the record.
Oh.
You wait.
I ain't going for that record. That's too fast for my blood.
What happened?
It's the e-brake's messing with me. So this time I didn't click it, I just held it the whole time. And I tried to push as hard as I could. You probably see it in the video. I'm like trying to get comfortable to actually pull it up as hard as I could, but the seat's in the way. So either which way, like I tried to preload and I was, it just started moving on me. Once I passed the light, I was just like, whatever, I let it out. It did pull a little to the left.
Then you let out right there?
I let out after, like, you saw it pull towards the wall.
Emilio's getting ready to make another pass. The first one, the camera went really blurry for some reason, so we only have the GoPro video of it. But he had some issues with the e-brake and also the tire pressures were off, so the car pulled really hard to one side. So we got it back in line and got the tire pressures checked again. They should be good. And we also readjusted the e-brake, so hopefully we can stage it better and we'll see how she does. Well guys, we had a few issues with Ricky's hatch. What was she doing?
So first of all, I was throwing it in third and it was breaking up. So something's going on with that. It's pulling to the left, just a few little issues. Like we literally haven't drove this car since Cletus and cars, so that was months ago. So we just got to go through it. And Ricky works a full-time job, so it's not like he can come out here anytime.
Test and tune it and stuff.
Yeah, test and tune it. So.
And also, sorry, real quick, the camera's getting really humid right now. It gets so bad. All the lights in the background are like getting all blurred.
But yeah, so
she was ripping on the street though.
I think she's a street monster.
It's just like my hatch. My hatch hates the track too.
up and down. It felt great.
Garrett just got his car loaded up. Yeah, we're gonna meet up with them and get some Waffle House real quick. But
He's in a rush. I think he's hungry.
We'll see. I'll probably unload it tonight and do some street action, see how it feels then. But
yeah, she just eats on the street, so maybe that's where she lives.
At the track, if anything.
Alright guys, so the real reason me and Emilio came down to Florida is because Ricky has a little boy or girl on the way.
Boosted boy or boosted girl?
It's a boosted baby either way.
Boosted baby.
But yeah, Emilio asked me to tag along. We figured we could come work on Vicky while we were down. So the real reason we are down here is for today. Ricky finds out what it is. Are you excited?
I'm excited. Either way, just want a healthy baby, but regardless, it's a boosted baby, like you said.
Deep down, you're hoping for a boy. Got the
I'm hoping for a boy, but you know, we'll see how it goes. Regardless, if it's a girl, she's gonna learn how to drive anyway. So yeah.
You're gonna have a boy.
I'm gonna have a boy. I'm gonna have a boosted boy.
You excited?
Pretty excited. Yeah. Either which way, but I mean, boy, definitely. It's always one of those things that makes you a lot more happy when you're having a boy than a girl.
Yeah.
Especially when you're a man. You know?
Congrats, man.
Thank you. So excited. I'm ready for this new chapter of life.
That's his first car.
Yeah, first you gotta figure out his name. No, what's his name? I'm not worried about that right now. I know he has a boosted Civic is all I'm worried about.
Yeah, you know he's getting the EG
Yeah, he's getting the EG
at some point.
Drive by then.
Oh, all-wheel drive by then? Oh, man.
Going 6s.
Oh, 6s. By then? Oh.
In high school, dog.
Oh,
I have to bail him out a few times.
Oh, yeah. Street racing? For sure. I'm gonna have to get a friend cop.
We're gonna have to start paying the cops now.
That's what I'm saying. I have to get a friend cop
Start
now.
paying the cops now for them. Yeah.
He's gonna be like that kid in Fast and Furious. See this kid in the blue hat? Just remind him. Give me a call. I'll tell the mom.
We got Larry, that VIP. When picked him up a cage, he's chilling, dude.
Nice, bro.
Can't have him hanging out in that water bottle anymore. A little bit of an upgrade for him.
Yeah, no more water bottle. Air vents for days.
He's in first class now. So we're back over here at Mike's shop, and the plan with Vicky was we were gonna take the head off and do a new head gasket, but we really just don't have enough time. Our flight does leave later tonight, and we were busy all day yesterday hanging out with Ricky and family and stuff for the baby gender reveal. And since we don't really have too much time with the car, and we also have to give the Hondata back, we're just gonna wait until we make another trip out to Florida to get her fixed up. For now, we are gonna keep her stored out here, and we'll just get to that next time we make a trip out here. But we do want to try to at least get a quick little burnout out of her before we go. It is okay to drive the car when it's cooled off, but once it fully warms up, it's gonna start to overheat, and it is gonna start to blow that radiator apart if we drive it for too long. So before we get out of here, we're gonna hop in her, go down the street, see if she'll leave a mad peel, and then we're gonna park her until the next time we see her again.
She's alive!
She's eating.
She is.
Not as much as before, but she still gets it. Well guys, I wish we had more time to spend with Vicky, but unfortunately we're just here for the weekend. But at least we got her back up and going, and she still rips. We're gonna try to get a VTEC head put back on her next time we work on the car. This is where she's gonna sit for right now. Big thanks to Mike for helping us get her up and going, and he's gonna let us keep the car over here. We went to Walmart and bought a car cover for it, and we're gonna make sure we get her covered up so no more water gets in the motor like it did last time. And next time we see her, we're gonna try to spend a little more time on her, get her running really good, and then we'll make some more content next time we're out in Florida with her. But this is where she's gonna sit until we're back.
You guys gotta dress Miss Vicky.
Yeah.
Looking good now.
So long, Vicky. Till next time.
Till next time.
There's a guy trying to catch some shit.
Bro.
What do you got now, bro?
Dude, Larry is cool and all, but look what I just found.
What the hell is that?
It's a skink. It's another type of lizard.
Well, that thing is cool.
Dude, look at his tail. Looks like it came off at one point. It's starting to grow back, but look at the blue on that.
Shit looks crazy, dude.
Dude, these are honestly like one of my favorite lizards.
Is that Larry's girlfriend?
I don't know, this might be Larry's daddy. These things are badass. Look at them, dude. It's like a snake. They're all shiny.
Bro, you're out here.
I mean, I know this is supposed to be a car channel, but I like animals too. Alright guys, well, we're getting out of here. We're gonna let Larry go. Thanks for hanging out with us, buddy. Too bad Emilio didn't have his sun hat, so he couldn't chill up on his hat for the weekend. He had to stay in a little cage that we got him. But he's been chilling. He's ready to go. So
it's like, let me go.
We're gonna let him bounce.
Right,
Larry.
Right where we found him.
Be free.
Bye, little guy. Till next time, man.
I put him over here. He's not out in the open. Oh, there's another one of his buddies. Here you go.
Don't be getting all these girls pregnant around here, Larry. You're a stud.
He's trained, remember? Don't even look at him.
Don't even look at him, dude. Whoa, told you not to look at him. Look what happens, bro. He set that up.
Been real, guys.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Vicky, man.
See you later.
Appreciate it. Got her all covered up this time. Yeah, don't let any more water in there. There was a lot. Bye, Vicky. Well,
All right, brother.
see you later, Ricky.
See you later. It was nice. It was fun. Thanks for coming,
It was
man.
fun hanging out,
Oh, yes.
but it's time for us to head back.
I'm ready.
Gotta get the hatch figured out.
Oh yeah.
Take her back, get that 9.
Yeah, I need to. We'll get it fixed up a little bit. We'll
Maybe we can bring her to H-Day.
We'll see.
Let Emilio drive her.
The curbsides at Tampa
enough time.
International
Next
Airport
month.
are
Got
smoke-free
1 month.
areas.
Yeah.
Smoking is
We'll try
only
to-
permitted
we'll try to make
in
it up for it.
designated
I won't be
smoking
there, but Carl
areas
probably.
located at each end of the building.
Well,
We thank you for
thanks,
your
man.
Yep.
cooperation.
Take it easy, man.
See you later.
See you later. Yep. My mom love you.
Till next time. Love you, bro.
Alright guys, make sure you don't have any large liquids, guys, no waters, no drinks, and then we do need any electronics bigger than a cell phone out of the bags, guys. So again, no waters or nothing in there.
We're getting ready to fly back right now. We just went through security. I forgot earlier, I just wanted to say congrats to Ricky on his baby boy. Emilio's gonna be an uncle.
Uncle Emilio.
So,
Baby.
congrats, man. Well, made it back. Back in good old Colorado.
Weather feels good already.
It's already like 20 degrees colder.
Right.
No humidity at all. Just dry.